Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. In the last session we have seen what is our input output table and solution for that table. So using that we are going to see this example 1.24. They have given us a table of economy for the year 2016 and they have asked us to construct a technology coefficient matrix. Okay, technology coefficient matrix. What is technology coefficient matrix? Is nothing going to be our B. Okay, what is our B? B11, B12 and B21 and B22. This is our technology coefficient matrix. And to find out whether solution exists. If solution exists means what we have to verify? Conditions, Hawkins, Simon condition. So we are going to do two subdivisions. One, you are going to find out this, and second subdivision you are going to verify using Hawkins-Simmons condition whether a solution exists here. Okay, so if we want to go to technological matrix, what you should know? A11 equal to B11, or I'll write it in the general form. Aij equal to Bij into Xj. This is a common denotation, isn't it? From this we are going to write all our A1, B11, B12. Okay. Before going that, where is our A11? This is our A11. This is our A12. This is our A21 and this is our A22. This is going to be your D1 and D2 and this is going to be your X1 and this is going to be your X2. Okay. Now you can go into, or you can take and write all the whatever you want. A11 equal to 500 and A12 equal to 1600. Similarly, A21 equal to 1750 and A22 equal to 1600 and D1 equal to 400 and D2 equal to 4650. Then X1 equal to 2500 and X2 equal to 8000. So after writing this, now we are going to move to our B11, or what is Bij from this? Bij equal to Aij by Xj. Okay. So first coming to our B11, what is our B11? From this formula only you are going to construct all the four elements of the technological matrix. So B11 is going to be A11 by X1. What is our A11? 500 by X1 is going to be 2500. So subtract this. This is going to give you 1 by 5, that is equal to 0.2. So this is B11. Next B12 is going to be A12 by X2, that is nothing but 1600 by 8000. So cut off the two zeros. Your answer is going to be, after getting out the two zeros, what is the answer? It is going to be 1 by 5, that is again going to be 0.2. So this is our B12. Now coming to our B21. So A21 by X1, what is our A21? A21 is 1750 by X1 is going to be 2500. So cut off 1 0 and your answer is going to be 7 by 10, that is equal to 0.7. Now coming to B22, similarly A22 by X2, what is our A22? A22 is 1600 by X2 is 8000. Cut off the two zeros, your answer is going to be 1 by 5, that is equal to 0.2. So you have got all the four answers. Now construct your matrix. Technological matrix is going to be 0.2, 0.2, 0.7, 0.2. Okay. Now we are finished with the first subdivision. Now we are going to go to next is our Hawkins-Simon condition. Okay. What is the first condition? The main diagonal of I minus b should be greater than 0. So what is our I minus b? I is going to be your identity matrix of order 2. So I minus b is nothing but 1 0 0 1 minus our b 0.2 0.2 0.7 0.2. So when you subtract, you will get here 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8, here minus 0.2, and here it is minus 0.7, and here it is 0.8. Okay, so your main diagonal is 0.8 and 0.8, it is positive, so it is greater than 0. So our first condition is okay. Now coming to our second condition, determinant of I minus b also should be greater than 0. What is our determinant? 0.8 minus 0.2 minus 0.7 and 0.8. So you multiply, you will get 0.64. This minus into minus plus, it will become 0.14, that is equal to 0.50, which is also greater than 0. So our second condition also is satisfied. So Hawkins-Simon's condition is satisfied. You have to write Hawkins-Simon's condition is satisfied. Therefore, what is the question they are asking? Does solution exist for the system? So this system has solution. That is going to be your final answer. Thank you.